The power of monotasking. Why doing one thing at a time changes everything. We were told a lie that said, the more you do, the more you are. But what if the opposite is true? What if the secret to better work, deeper relationships, stronger focus, and even happiness isn't doing more things at once, but doing one thing well? This is the power of monotasking. Everywhere we look, multitasking is glorified. But science shows something shocking. Humans cannot actually multitask, not the way we think. Instead, we rapidly switch between tasks, and every switch makes us dumber, slower, and more stressed. Today, we're going to prove it. In this video, we'll explore why multitasking ruins your brain, why monotasking can give you superhuman focus, how to practice monotasking today, how monks, athletes, CEOs, and scientists use it, and we'll also run experiments that you can try with me. If you want more life-changing content like this one, don't forget to subscribe and go check my other videos. Part 1. The history of multitasking. Where multitasking came from. Multitasking didn't come from human evolution, it came from computers. The term was first used in 1965 by IBM to explain how machines run multiple processes. Then we applied the term to ourselves, which is like saying a toaster can fall in love. And this have a huge cognitive cost. When you switch tasks, you trigger a cognitive penalty. Switching burns glucose, increases cortisol, and activates the error monitoring network. Studies show that multitasking reduces IQ temporarily by up to 15 points, increases errors by 50%, and makes tasks take 40% longer. Part 2. The myth of productivity. Why multitasking feels productive. Dopamine, the neurochemical of novelty. Every time you switch tasks, your brain gets a tiny reward. Switching feels good, but it makes us terrible at thinking. The attention economy. Apps aren't competing for money, they're competing for your attention. Notifications exist to break monotasking. This is what happens when real people try a focus test. You'll do 2 tasks. Copy a paragraph and do simple math. First separately, then mixed together. When monotasking, 2 minutes, 0 errors. When task mixing, 4 minutes, many errors. That is multitasking. Part 3. The neuroscience of monotasking. The brain likes one thing at a time. The prefrontal cortex can only hold one conscious task. Everything else becomes noise. On the contrary, there is the flow state, the ultimate monotasking. Flow, the state of complete absorption, is impossible without monotasking. Athlete reports, when I surf, everything else disappears. That's not multitasking, that's oneness. Why monotasking feels good. When you monotask, your nervous system shifts from stress to presence. You feel grounded and alive. Part 4. How monotasking changes your life. In relationships, your phone doesn't need you, but the person in front of you does. One-task listening is the foundation of intimacy. At work, the most productive people I know don't multitask. Their calendar is a fortress. In creativity, the best ideas come when you're deeply focused on a single action, not split in 5 directions. What about health and stress? Task switching keeps the stress response constantly activated. That's why monotasking is a form of nervous system repair. Part 5. How to monotask. The method. Rule 1. 1 intention. Every session starts with 1 sentence. Right now, I am doing X. Rule 2. 1 screen. Turn off the rest. Silence notifications. Hide your phone in a drawer. Rule 3. Time blocks. Use 25-minute blocks, Pomodoro, or 50-minute deep focus blocks. Rule 4. Interruptions protocol. Interruptions will happen, but you can handle them with the set-aside method. Write down the interruption, return to the task, handle it later. Here is how a 30-minute monotask session looks like. 1. Pick one task, just one. 2. Work on your task for 30 minutes. No distractions. Stay focused. When you're done, reflect and debrief. How do you feel? Calmer? More grounded? More capable? This is what your brain was designed for. Not chaos, but attention. So here is my challenge for you. Try monotasking for 7 days. One task at a time. No switching, no distraction, and watch your entire life transform. For more scientific and psychological insights, subscribe and go check my others videos. See you next time on My Way.